Many people are in need of quick cash till their next payday since, in today's fast-paced world, unforeseen bills can appear at any time. This leaves them waiting for their next paycheck. Apps that provide cash advances are becoming increasingly popular due to the fact that they are convenient and easy to access. Users are provided with the opportunity to borrow small sums of money instantaneously using these applications, which often have minimum prerequisites and processes that are hassle-free. This article will provide you with 3 of the greatest cash advance applications that will allow you to borrow $50 till your next payday. If you find yourself in need of a short-term financial solution, look no further. Number 1. Earnin. The Earnin app is a cash advance service that gives customers the ability to access their earned income prior to those wages being paid out. It does this by establishing a connection to your bank account and keeping track of the hours you work. You have the ability to withdraw up to $100 every day or $500 per pay period once you have worked hard to generate money. Pros. There are no costs. Earnin takes a pay-what-you-think-is-fair approach, which means that consumers are able to tip whatever they are able to afford, even if it is $0. Quick access to funds. Once you have earned funds through Earnin, you will have access to those funds almost immediately, removing the need to wait until your next paycheck. There is no interest rate. There is no possibility that you will end up paying back more than you borrowed because Earnin does not charge interest or fees. Cons. The maximum amount that may be borrowed through Earnin is $100 per day. Nevertheless, this amount might not be sufficient for people who have more significant financial need. It is necessary to verify employment history. If you want to use Earnin, you need to have a job that is stable and pays you on a regular basis. This may prohibit people who work as freelancers or have income that is inconsistent. Number 2. Dave. The Dave app is a financial management tool that provides users with a variety of services, including cash advances, to assist them in managing their finances. It gives customers the opportunity to borrow up to $100 without charging interest or doing credit checks, making it an appealing choice for individuals who are in need of access to funds immediately. Pros. Due to the fact that Dave does not charge interest on cash advances and does not conduct credit checks, it is possible for those with low credit ratings to obtain a loan from the company. Dave provides additional features, such as overdraft protection and automatic budgeting tools, for a low membership fee of $1 per month. Dave's membership charge is low. Dave provides its consumers with flexibility in terms of repayment alternatives, enabling them to repay their cash advances when they earn their next salary. This reduces the likelihood that they may accumulate debt. Cons. In spite of the fact that Dave's membership fee is quite cheap, it may still be enough to discourage some users who would rather have options that are fully free of charge. Dave's borrowing limit of $100 may not be sufficient for persons who have higher financial demands because of the limited quantity of money that can be borrowed. Number 3. Bridget. To assist customers in avoiding overdraft fees and better managing their cash flow, Bridget is a financial application that was developed. It provides consumers with a cushion to handle unforeseen expenses by granting cash loans of up to $250 without charging interest or conducting credit checks. No credit checks. Pros. Because Bridget does not charge interest on cash advances and does not conduct credit checks, it is accessible to people who have poor credit ratings. In addition, Bridget does not undertake credit checks. A higher loan limit, with a maximum borrowing limit of $250, Bridget may be a better option for people who have more significant financial requirements. Automatic cash advances. Bridget makes use of machine learning algorithms to determine when customers are in risk of overdrawing their accounts. It then automatically delivers cash advances to consumers in order to prevent overdraft fees from occurring. Cons. The monthly membership cost that Bridget charges, which can range anywhere from $9.99 to $14.99 depending on the plan that is chosen, may be a deterrent for some customers when they are considering using the service. There are certain restrictions on eligibility. In order to be eligible for Bridget, users must have a steady income from a single source. This may exclude individuals who are self-employed or have revenue that is inconsistent. Applications that provide cash advances offer a solution that is both easy and easily accessible to consumers who are in need of immediate cash till their next payday. Before selecting the application that best meets your requirements, it is vital to take into consideration a number of aspects, including the maximum amount of money that can be borrowed, the costs that are associated with it, and the eligibility standards that must be met. These 3 cash advance applications can help bridge the gap between paychecks and provide financial peace of mind. Whether you are dealing with an unforeseen cost or simply need some additional cash to tide you over until your next paycheck arrives,